অঙ্গে মাখো মাখো রে এই না ব্রজের ধুলা অঙ্গে মাখো অঙ্গ means body মাখো means smear এই না ব্রজের ধুলা এই যে ধুলা ধুলা means dust of the brush smear in your body on your body and dust of brush the next line অঙ্গে মাখো মাখো রে এই না ব্রজের ধুলা ধুলো নরে ভক্ত পদ হরেনু he's saying this is not ordinary dust it's the dust of the devotees of the Lord okay so how is good অঙ্গে মাখো মাখো রে এই না ব্রজের ধুলা
অঙ্গে মাখো মাখো রে এই না ব্রজের ধুলা
নন্দের ঘরের তনু who is নন্দের ঘরের তনু Krishna so it is not only you even Krishna he himself smearing those dust in his body so অঙ্গে মাখো মাখো রে এই না ব্রজের ধুলা এই ধুলা যে say one who neglected this by this dhula means this dust even Ganga become pavitra means become purified by this dust of Vrindavan okay এই ধুলা মাখলে যারা গঙ্গা পবিত্র you know that everybody's rolling on the ground, right? Taking the dust of Vrindavan. Why? Also, you'll be surprised. In Bengal, When devotee do kirtan, of course we do kirtan by sitting. In Bengal, they do kirtan by standing around and around 24 hours, sometimes 48 hours. When I was a young boy, I remember. So, when I was a young boy, I was 6, 7 years old boy, I used to go with my mother in the kirtan. My mom used to go and rolling the, whenever kirtan, devotees kirtan, doing kirtan, she used to totally on the ground and rolling herself. And she used to tell me, you're slow. So I didn't know that term, but I used to do whatever my mother used to do. So now I know why. Because wherever the Mad Bhakta Datta Ganti Sastuti Narada, right? Wherever devotee doing, chanting, glorifying Krishna's holy name, that place becomes pilgrimage of Vrindavan. And that's why wherever devotee is doing kirtan, we're supposed to rolling on the ground, okay, and crying. Of course, then you'll be thinking of your Sahagya. Onge makho makho re ei number de makho makho re ei number de makho makho re ei number de start the